Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
What's going on, Backyard Shenanigans? BS Mike here, and today we're going to be doing a true street class here at No Prep here. Sinister Performance, Karma Motorsports Racing, and Backyard Shenanigans putting it on down here. You know, every single class is stacked this time, and it's being a hell of a race. So this is going to be the true street video. Stick around. Here we go for some badass street cars.
65 Dodge Cornet on the left side. The right side, the Monte Carlo, Tommy Kozlow, 68 Monte Carlo. Our first pair up here in true.
Thank you, Mickey.
Hey.
All right, battery switch. All right, guys, this is round number one, first pair down of True Street. Got Kozlow getting James so far. Tom Kozlow taking the W there. All right, second pair down, we got Aslan over here. Badass Turbo LS RX-7. True Street round one, here we go, some little more racing. Got the Monty in the left. I don't know what this is.
All right, this is going to be a good matchup here. American Muscle versus Immokalee. Taking on a Beamer.
Made me flinch hard.
On the right side there. Takes the win.
W there. All right, racing Gino in the Tesla for True Street, round one.
Left side got it.
Silent but deadly, the Tesla Plaid and Gino taking the W there, moving on to round number two. All right, still round one at True Street. We got Dwayne over here in the right lane. That is SN95, number 9 on the daily driver on our top 10 list. Good burnout for him. Oh, look at this, look at this.
Small
Charles Manchester
buybacks.
getting
Please
a
go
high
to the
run.
Sinister Performance trailer. That are going to buy back.
You can say Charles Manchester hooking tonight, cream puff.
That will conclude.
All right, we got True Street. True Street he's going into?
Yes.
All right, round 3. Good for you there, James Mopar. All right, we got round number 2 of True Street. We got Aslan in the right lane, Charles Manchester
Charlie
in the left.
Manchester.
Here we go.
Four-door Ford
Round number 2. Taking out Charles, man. What a rip. Right into it. We got Dwayne against the Monte Carlo in the right. Monte Carlo in the left.
Right side.
We got Dwayne Howell over here in the right.
Monte Carlo, Tommy Kozlow.
Woo! Another damn nail biter right there. Tom taking the W in the left lane there in the Monte Carlo. Moving on to round 3, True Street. Battle of the imports. We got a Lexus over here. We got a Mazda Miata over here. My fault. I think it's a BMW. I don't know. Blue car in the left lane, Miata in the right. Here we go.
These two, this should be a real good race. So hold on tight. They're about to bust.
Miata moving on. All right, round 3 at True Street. All right, guys, we're on round 3 at True Street. I missed the burnouts on this because my GoPro malfunctioned. We got Aslan here in the left lane, racing the Mazda Miata LS powered in the right lane. Here we go. It's gonna be a good race. Right side taking the W in the Miata, but a hell of a race. Wow. Hell of a race.
Coming up to the True Street final just a little bit. Now we're moving
all right,
into the
so we got
final.
Tom Kozlow in the left lane, racing Gino in the right lane in the Tesla plan.
Kozlow in the Monte Carlo. We got the Tesla on the right side.
Taking the W in True Street.
Tommy Kozlow
left lane taking home the win. A damn fucking good race. Gino was hauling ass in the Tesla. What a win. Good job, Tom. True Street final. All right, in the right lane we got the Miata. In the left lane we got Tom Kozlow in the Monte Carlo. Here we go. True Street final, baby. Here we go. The Miata taking home the money. Tom Kozlow putting up a damn good race. Congratulations to the Miata driver. I forget your name, buddy. Right on. That's the finals for True Street. What a race, guys. Thanks for watching. Slam down that subscribe button and we're going to see you on the next video.